I really look like a little news anchor woman, like, hola y bienvenidos a Univision. Come through, messy bun. We like it. We're gonna keep it. Can you tell that I don't want to get off camera because of how cute I look right now? Like, are you kidding? Okay. Don't know who I am. I got super inspired by this backdrop because it just gives me like an angelic vibe. That sounds so stupid. I look like a founding father. That is as good as we're gonna get. Don't come for me for my eyelashes, okay? These bitches are taking their sweet ass time to come off and have me out here looking like a fool. So, don't need your comments, thanks. I have something in mind, but I'm trying to think of how it's gonna go down. It's quite a bit on her. I'm gonna take Love and I'm gonna lightly pop this in as my transition. Volatile, and I'm gonna just really put that just dead ass in crease. I'm gonna take a little bit of Soul now underneath that, basically on the lid.
So I totally forgot to explain what I was doing here, but all I did was take this random brush from, I think it's the Naked 2 palette, put some concealer on it, and started cutting my crease, just the inner half of it. I'm gonna kind of fade it out towards the end, and I think the concealer I'm using is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium.
And Celestia, press that everywhere. Some eyeliner with concealer. And now I'm gonna step in with Wild Child. Okay, Zoki. So I'm gonna put some mascara on as soon as I find some. Oh, here it is. I've been using this one from Ulta. It's by Essence Volume Stylist. It's okay. I'm gonna pop on some lashes. The drugstore lashes that I have been loving right now. The Ardell Professional Mega Volume. Like, they look like this. They're super wispy. They're double upped, I think, or something like that. I don't know. They're multi-layered. Something crazy curl technology. I'm back. So I popped on my lashes. All I've done is underneath my eyes, I went in with a little bit of Love, Soul, and then Celestial. Celestial? Is that how you say it in English? So I don't even know anymore. Celestial. That one inner half of my eyelid. I did Dreamer in the inner corner. This is such a gorgeous highlight. It's insane. How I feel about him. I don't think I like it. I have this Huda Beauty lip strobe and I literally bought like 4 of these. Haven't tried these at all. This one is, the name is Angelic. Like, this is meant to be. Are you kidding? I told you I got like angelic vibes from this. Oh wow, that is The first ones that I tried on, in case you're wondering, NYX lingerie line, 2 of them. Sable and then Maison. It's a shimmer I don't know what the fuck this says. And glitter pilot. Wow, like am I like that not fancy? I don't think I've actually ever done a gloss like this. I feel like it sort of goes. Don't know. I'm a big gloss girl, if you couldn't tell. Okay, I'm over it. Okay, look, yeah, the wing, it could use work. I could have done way better. I've been out of the game for a little bit. I haven't been doing my makeup a lot. Today was like the first time that I actually got to like do something semi-creative. And what all I did was like change the color of a wing. That is sad. I'm about to get no sleep. And I also am so sad that I did this at night because this makeup, I'm obsessed with it. Maybe it's like actually trash and I'm just saying that. Ooh, psych. I hope you guys enjoyed this look that I came up with. I'm really f with it, you know, like I wish it wasn't 12:05 in the morning, but what are you gonna do? Hope you guys f with this look. I honestly don't even know what I would call it. I would wear this on a Tuesday. This is me in a nutshell, honestly. Like I can't stop looking at myself because I'm a narcissist, but also it looks so good. For real, I'm gonna actually go now. So if you don't mind, bye. Thanks for watching.